Hi friends, story time is Cheney. Our story today is Bring on the Birds. And the person that wrote the story and that drew the pictures is the same person, by Susan Stockdale. Let us begin. Swooping birds. What kind of bird is that, friends? What kind of bird comes out at night and says, whoo, whoo? If you said, I'll hear that. Whooping birds. Birds with puffy chests. He does have a very puffy chest. Dancing birds. Look at those birds. They're funny birds dancing. Diving birds. These birds want to swim. Birds with fluffy crests. This thing that's on their head is called a crest. Hanging birds. This one is hanging upside down on a tree. Hiding birds. Look at these birds. It's hard to see because they're white. Birds with jagged bills. Look at that bill. And it's in different colors too. Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds, when they connect the nectar, they're humming. Drumming birds. Birds with bills that drill. That's a woody woodpecker. Skimming birds. They like to fly close to the pond water. And swimming birds. Birds with tails held high. Look at that beautiful peacock. Racing birds. And riding birds. What do you think these birds are riding on? What does that look like? If you said giraffe, you were right. Birds that never fly. Dull or dazzling colors, long or little legs. All kinds of birds. All of them have feathers and all are hatched from eggs. The end. See you next time, friends. Bye.